we've invited 20 Amazon selling partners into the Amazon London headquarters to teach them a bit more about what the Amazon Strategic Account Services is and how we'd be able to support them to grow their business on Amazon.
As part of the day, they're going to have one-to-one best practice sessions with a marketplace consultant and a partner manager. And secondly, a marketplace consultant's also running a best practice session, so everyone today has got something to take away and apply to their business immediately.
The programme unlocks a lot of opportunities, gave us a lot of insights and became part of our strategy for growth on Amazon.
You should join Strategic Account Services because you get a trusted business partner. We're going to provide you with all the personalised bespoke advice and reports that you need to drive your business forward.